video, I will show you how to copy elements and floor plans to next level in Archicad. I have this design here, single rooms, 5 stories. So let me create an extra story. I'll create new story, story 6. I can just create without name, just a new story, or we can just come here, settings. Now the story height is the same, all right? So okay. So I have an extra story which I have created. I want to copy the roof to the next story, that is the 6th story. So I'll go to story 5. So it take me to the plan. I can select everything, so I can pick my marquee, and then let me escape. I want to pick marquee. I want to pick this area and pick everything in this floor. I want to select everything. Okay, so I'll hold Control A to select everything. So everything has been selected. I want to move this to the next story. So I'll just click cut, right? So I'll go to the next story, story 6. So I'll go to story 6. Now right click, paste. And then right click, OK. So let's see the 3D view. Rebuild. So again, let me just repeat the process. Control All, right click, cut. So I think I did not move to the next floor. So just make sure you move to this floor and right click and paste. Make sure you're on the 6th floor. So I think I copied and paste in the same floor. Okay, so this is the 6th floor. Let's see the 5th floor. Okay, so let's see the 3D. Now you can see how this looks like. All right, again I will go now to 4th floor. Okay, my queue, and then I will pick everything. I can pick even the dimensions, no problem. I can pick just everything. Control All, right click, Now this time we want to copy because we don't want to remove in that floor. Then I'll go to the fifth floor. Okay, right click, then paste. Right click, then OK. So now we can see the 3D view. Okay, now we are missing let me see if there is anything inside this house. We are missing the wall. So this wall is on which floor? This floor. We are missing which wall? This side and this side. So I will go to which floor? This first, second, that. I will go to that floor. Okay. Then again select this wall which is missing. Just escape. Then holding shift, select this. Okay. Right click, copy, and go to the fourth floor. And right click, paste. Right click. Okay. So we are missing again which wall? We are missing this wall, this one, and this side. So I'll move to that floor. I'm missing this wall, holding shift, this wall, this one, and that one. So I'll right click, copy, go to the fourth floor, right click, and paste. You have to paste in the same location. All right. Right click. Okay. So now see, let's review. So thanks. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now you can see we have how many floors? 6 floors.